everyone, this is Pretty from casa, and I'm now in our factory. And this is the area for finished furniture. As you can see, there are so many good quality furnitures. Like this is a genuine black sofa. And like this is a gray one, and it's very soft and comfortable. And like this one, they are the similar design, and you can see if you buy the sofa, these pillows are all for you for free. And for this one, this is one of the favorite of mine. As you can see, this is made of sherpa, the white, pure white sherpa. And the leather is made of wooden. So the whole one is very fashion, and I like it so much. As I see this, it can good support my whole body. And also the pillows here are very beautiful, right? So if you want to choose a furniture, please choose us, and we are welcome for you to come to visit our factory. We are here to wait you. This is Casa, a good home furniture manufacturer.